Hi guys, I'm from Iceboxauto here today. I'm just going to show you a new product that we're going to install today. I don't really do it before and after, but obviously this is a brand new product and it's got brand new methods of how it works in the car. It's new to Mini, should I say. So what I'll just show you now is the original screen in the car. The screen we're going to put in is a large, I think it's an 8-inch screen, which will cover this section here. And also it uses this original frame that goes around there, use the original buttons. But the first thing that we've seen on this product, and it's new to market, is it actually shows the original menus as well as the aftermarket. And I mean, to be honest with you, when you're dealing with Minis, you've got two options, which is just start changing the screen over altogether and you just get Android, but you lose all these original menus. Or you can go for an MMI box, which you keep all this. You just basically put a box in behind the dash and then it gives you CarPlay and Android Auto on a switch over on this. So yeah, I'm just going to just tell you one more thing before I go. The screen we're putting in is works in the MBT version of the car. So the car's age is about 2015. If it's got this menu, you've got MBT. If you've got the older series, which is CIC, we don't sell it for that. The product is just going to be released for the Evo version. Again, pretty new to market, and that's going to be 2017-18 onwards. So yeah, we'll crack on with the install and you'll see another video pop up in a minute. Cheers. Alright guys, welcome back. This is the installed version of the radio here. As you can see, all this is still the same as you would normally expect, but we've installed this now to new touchscreen. I'll just show you quickly that it goes, 1 second. I'd say the new thing about these ones now is that obviously you have both functionality of the car now, which you didn't used to have on the on screen replacement, because it always just used to be Android only. So if I just flick back to the original screen, which I just showed you just using the iDrive section down below, which is out shot of the video. All this is obviously what you would normally expect, and basically going through and just using the iDrive panel. This part isn't touchscreen, by the way, as you can see. This is just obviously the original part of the car, but the aftermarket side is. So if we just go over to there, that just shows you, takes you over to the Android screen now. Okay, so I mean, you know, in a Mini, you know what the original menu's like, so there's no need for me to go through the process of that, but obviously I'll just give you a little bit of a rundown of this Android screen. Now, this does have a built-in Play Store, so in the past where you could install these type of systems, the main thing, you couldn't go back to the old menus, you'd lose them, but this is what you get now for your money. This screen here, which fits in behind the original frame of the car, is what you receive and all the cables that go with it. Does work with the steering wheel controls also. Let me see if I can try and get you some music on. Oh, that's the skip button, sorry. As you can see, so it works with the original parts of the car. Just put the volume down. The system's working through the auxiliary of the original car, so basically you don't need to switch to aux on the Mini menu, and then obviously that's where you get all these sound from. So I'll just give you a little bit of a rundown of the system. As you can see, this is the home page, nice and swift and responsive. Comes with a nice 8-core processor in there, 464 gig of RAM. You can increase it if you want. As you can see, there's your Google Play Store. So if you want to start downloading like Netflix, YouTube, all that type of stuff, you can do it on there. This one here is your Android Auto and CarPlay Stroke app. So as you can see, I've, for the purpose of the video, I have linked the Android phone to it. And this is you get all your Android Auto, CarPlay, works with Apple phones, totally fine. It's all wireless. So if we go back out to there, Google Play Store, that's where you get all your apps. There's your Bluetooth, if you want to go through all your applications. These are shortcuts around the side too. That's your FM. AM radio is on the original. If you want DAB radio, put it on the Android side. So do whatever you want with it, to be honest with you. YouTube, everyone knows what that is. Here's your DSP sound processor. So if you want to customise this here. All this ambient lighting still works, by the way. Obviously, I haven't got it on there just yet. And these basically allows you to do all the sound and stuff like that. Anything else down there? No? Okay, let's have a little look. What else? Got your browsers on there, photos. This one here takes you to all your apps. So there's your ambient lighting there. So if you want to like have a little play around with your ambient lighting, you can do it that way too. Bluetooth, sound effects, have a little look at that. It's been that one there. Car settings. This is where you would change your back-end settings. Car's computer information, stuff like that. As I say, you've got access to all the original history on the old pit menus anyway, so I say you're not going to lose anything that side of things. Music, video, this is where you play all your films through. Let me see if there's anything on the... Sometimes you put a demo on there. Continue. Let's have a little look what that looks like, just to show you there. Lovely jubbly. Nice duck, whatever you want to call it. Let's go back into here. DVR camera, if you want to put a front-facing collision camera on there. There's your Netflix down there already, pre-installed. Because we haven't put many apps on here, we'll leave that to the customer. But what you see is here you get programmed into the system anyway. As you can see, if you want to log onto the Play Store, there's your Play Store there. Doesn't need an online connection. So if you want to give it a data connection, you can put a SIM card to it, or turn your phone into a hotspot. Let's have a little look down here. Phone. So that's all like phone book support. See how quick it is there. History. Few phone numbers there. File. Favourites. Okay, yeah, so I'll just bring it to an end today, guys. Not much I can show you in terms of that. I'm rushing the video, to be honest with you, because I've got the customer waiting to take the car off. I'll just give you a little rundown of the setups there. 1 second. Big fat fingers. There you go. Yeah, hope you liked the video, guys. Oh yeah, you put a rear camera in, Tim, which I'll just put down to reverse. As you can see, it works with the sensors, Tim. And that's our rear camera we've put in today. Okay, there you go, guys. Have a nice day now. Take care. Bye-bye.